and I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. If you could learn to work and play and get along with each other.
Good morning, class. Today we're going to be learning about health and wellness and how to keep our bodies healthy and strong. So when you're inside watching cartoons and your favorite cereal commercial comes on, whether that be French Toast Crunch or another cereal of your liking, the first thing you might want to do is go to the supermarket with your family. But what if I told you when you went there not to go straight to your favorite cereal box, but to try a healthier alternative, maybe some oatmeal. And if you think the oatmeal is a little bit too bland, you can add some really yummy stuff, maybe some bananas. And if you don't care much for bananas, maybe strawberries. Or you can even add peanut butter. I know a lot of you love peanut butter. You could add that to it to make it really flavorful. Now with all that, it's not only the ingredients that are in food, but also how we measure it. Everything in moderation is best for our bodies to help keep us healthy. How to keep ourselves hydrated. A lot of times, we seem to turn to pop and energy drinks, drinks that are full of sugar, even though they taste so good. But the best thing for our bodies is water. And that keeps us hydrated and gives us energy. And you should try to drink 8 cups of water a day. And if you don't know how much it is, just try to drink as much water as you can. Now, in my spare time, I personally even like to play video games. Believe it or not, Miss Wilson likes to play video games. An adult, heck yeah, I do. I love to play video games. Maybe it's an Xbox or your PlayStation. And when I'm doing those video games, I'm usually sitting around on the couch or I'm just lounging and I feel kind of lazy and blah. You just feel kind of blah on the couch. But there's an alternative to that to get you back up with the energy. You can go outside and ride your bike, or there's alternatives. Maybe your gym at the school has a bike like this one does inside where you can ride your bike. Or there's exercise balls that you can use. You can bounce up and down on those. Those are always fun. Or you can do sit-ups on the balls. That's a good alternative also. But if you like to go outside, especially during the summer when it's nice and warm, you can go around and chase maybe your little brother or sister in the yard and play tag. You can go out and play soccer or play football or whatever you want. But the best thing to do is to stay active and trying to get proper sleep as well. When our bodies have proper sleep, then we can wake up that morning and feel rejuvenated and have a lot of energy for the day. So that way you want to go outside and play, and you might still want to play video games. That's okay, but as long as you're making time to play outside and exercise and have fun, it can be really good. So keeping our bodies healthy is good, and we can do it in fun ways. It doesn't have to be boring. And our food, we can eat in good ways and healthy ways, and it doesn't have to be bland. We can make it flavorful and really yummy. So these next few days in class, we're going to be coming up with a plan on how to live a healthy lifestyle. So what I have set up for you online are different activities having to do with health and wellness. And while you're doing those activities online, I want you to think about ways in your life that you can be healthy and make yourself strong and feel good every day and get the proper amount of sleep. Because then we're going to be sharing that with our classmates and we can exchange ideas, and I can help you and you can help me, and we can all learn how to live healthier lifestyles together. So I hope you enjoy what I set up for you today online. And also remember, don't just sit at the computer all day working on your lesson. I want you to get up and move around, all right? Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow in class.